Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we're going to look at a few tools. Last time we stopped at the gradient tool. Today we're going to continue with that. So let's start with the brush tool and we see what it does. The brush tool, its main purpose brings a fade on anything like this. As you can see, you can come here and increase its strength. As you can see, it brings that brightness on an image like that. Yeah, and then our next tool, if you want to undo a remove, you press Ctrl Z. You press Ctrl Z, you press Ctrl Z to undo. Let's look at the sharpness tool. Let me get it back. Let me get the image. Alright. The sharpness tool, it makes surfaces more visible and sharp. Like you can see, the eye becomes more clear. As you can see the effect. Yeah, that one looks good. That's its purpose. Let's move to the next tool, the smudge tool. For it deforms. It deforms. Let me show you here. For example, if you want to deform this, as you can see, it deforms edges. Yeah, that's main purpose. Next we are going to look at the dodge tool. The dodge tool brightens. It brightens surfaces or images or parts. As you can see, it brings some brightness. That's main purpose. Let's look at the band tool. The band tool does the exact opposite of the dodge tool. As you can see, it darkens areas of the image. And the sponge tool, its main purpose is to bring saturation, to bring saturates like this. Now this is desaturation, but if you want to saturate, you can come here and select saturation, and saturates the parts of the image that you want. You can increase here the flow if you want it to saturate more. As you can see, yeah. So let's look at the pen tool and see what it does. So it's a freehand selection tool. A little bit mistake there. You have to zoom in clearly to see what exactly you are doing. As you can see, it's a freehand selection tool. I'll just make it quick. Let me put it. Let's continue. Let me just pass here. So here you can do like the other tools that we saw. It also makes a selection out of it. You come here to the move tool. What you're going to do, this one also, you have to make sure it's attached for it to make anything. Alright, so when it's attached, you can right click and make a section. Like I told you, you can mask that. You make that. You say you can mask it, and then you take that selection maybe to another program if you like that, if you want to. All right, let me deselect, Control D. Yeah, that's also another tool, selection tool that you can use. It's a pen tool. Let me show you this. So there's this one. For it can deform the anchor points that like this. It helps you to move them. Maybe if you wanted to, that's what it can do. It can help you move them like this. Now let me something else. You can deform. Let me show you like this maybe. For example, if you have done that, it helps you deform it. Then our next is gonna be these are gonna be shape tools. Shape tools, as you can see, they are very, very key in designing. And of course, there are very many shapes. Rectangular tool, there's a rounded rectangular tool, polygon tool, ellipse tool, line tool, and the others. So you can come here and get one. You can change color from here, any color of your choice. You can come here. There are a bunch of options too. There's a dotted line, you can make it dotted. You can change here its size. You can also come here and arc the edges. So there are very bunch of options. Someone need to try them all out, as well as episode tool. It's the same thing. You can come here and do this. By the way, there's some other thing with this pen tool. You can it can make a path like I shown you before, but also can make shapes. You can also use it to make shapes, for example like this. Like in Illustrator, you can also make shapes with it. Yes, let's continue. There are very many. You can many. something else.